Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to draw thin eyeliner perfectly and easily. For that I use eyeliner pen because it have a small brush that is easy to draw line. So let's start. First of all, I draw one line from my lower corner eyelash ending towards up carefully. And then I am going to create a small line close to upper eyelashes slowly to avoid any mistake. Then I create another line to make wing. That I start from near the first line by making it slightly shorter from the first line by connecting it with the wing properly. Just like that. So guys, just follow my step and you will get perfect small eyeliner look, and I hope that my video will solve your problem. So if you guys like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, see you in next video soon. Till that time, goodbye, take care and have a nice day.